I will not waste a single word on Brembo today. Once Mnangagwa was released, Major Albert Tizwa, the military intelligence officer of the Presidential Guard, arrested in New Orleans on Independence Day, found in possession of an unregistered AK-47 rifle, bags of money traceable to the offices of KUTYA has been released. Sabina Mashkumdani was Mnangagwa released. His hitman gave him back his gun. Zimbabwe must know this and was subscribed or like on the bell icon. Tinda Pahendo, retired Lieutenant General Winston Skawagima Pranga Mdanyara Chiti. On the personal order of the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, and in a detail so obscene that I have read it 3 times to confirm I am not misunderstanding it. Mnangagwa ordered that Tizwa's money be returned to him and his unregistered AK-47 rifle be returned to him. The weapon back in his hands, the money back in his possession, the men back on the street. This is not a justice system malfunction. This is the President of Zimbabwe personally intervening to return a weapon and a war chest to a man his own police force arrested on suspicion of planning an assassination. What the police managed to do, I want to acknowledge the public that, and without reservation, the Zimbabwe Republic police officer who, despite the pressure that descended on them from the moment of Tizwa's arrest, managed to do their constitutional duty. They charged him 11 charges, 5 counts of assault, 6 cases of kidnapping. These charges did not materialize from nowhere. They represented documented, evidenced, legally recorded criminal conduct by a serving military intelligence officer of the Presidential Guard, a man whose rank and operational profile tells you everything you need to know about who he was working for and what he was doing in New Orleans that morning. Commissioner of Police Mtamba yelled him when the pressure came. His officers charged Tizwa when every force in the political environment was pushing for his quiet release and disappearance. That courage discourages recognition. In Zimbabwe's current environment, doing your constitutional duty when the president himself wants you to do otherwise is not a small thing. And then, the president overruled them. Doma developments are kuda panguwa ino achitogwa na Winston Skawagima Pranga pamusoro pe mukomana ari kunzi Iowa angapiwa 11 counts of charges. Panguwa ino achinzi akanga an assassination yakaida unolonja, but it failed after he was captured by the ZVAITWA. Imponza mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pe chitiko ichi mchona achireleasiwa. Mina comment section minutes of mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.